There's a lot of colorists on YouTube, and it's not because they have a lot of subscribers that actually they know what they're doing. For example, Color Grading Central is a really popular YouTube channel. They are making a false color LUT, and when you look at it, you really ask yourself if they know what they're doing. So here we have an image which goes from white to black. It's just pure gray here. So let's look at how the image looks with false color. So here everything works. So now we're going to take another image. So here you have all the color of the rainbow saturated at 50%, and you can see the luminance is higher on the top and the luminance is lower at the bottom. And so now let's look at how it looks like with false color. So here you can see how the LUT falls apart because the lines are not straight anymore. Color is a hue, a luminance, and a saturation. So here on that image, every saturation is the same. So the variable will be hue and luminance. So to be clear, normally false color should measure luminance. It has nothing to do with saturation and it has nothing to do with hue. And you can see that Color Grading Central think differently and that the LUT is actually completely broken. So I hope this video was helpful. Always double check what is given to you. No matter how many subscribers they have, they probably don't know what they're talking about.